Hello and welcome to English with Rudy. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use the negative form didn't. So, didn't is the short form of did not. And did not is used in the past simple tense. To learn more about the past simple tense, please watch Speak Better English Lesson 6 and I'll leave the link on top. Before I teach you how to use didn't, let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. So it is pronounced they didn't, didn't, didn't. Now let's learn how to use didn't. If somebody asks you a question, such as, did you come to class yesterday? Your negative answer would be, no, I didn't come to class yesterday. Let's use another example. Did he call you last night? No, he didn't call me last night. Did they deliver the package? No, they didn't deliver the package. So if I use negative form in the past tense, I would have to use didn't plus the base form verb, which means I have to say didn't come, didn't call, didn't deliver. We cannot say I didn't came to class yesterday. That would be wrong. Or he didn't called. That would also be wrong. And you cannot say they didn't delivered. So didn't can be used only in the past simple tense, and also remember that didn't should be used only with a base form verb, not a past form verb. I hope this lesson was useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.